directed and amended, and the clock 14, go!
A lot of action coming up, but we also want to take a little chance to give some love towards one of our own here, a longtime member of the TOC department over here at FanDuel TV. And originally when I started doing broadcasting over at HRTV, man, his name is John Hale. And I always said to John years ago, Jose, I said, I don't care what it is you're doing as long as you have a love and a passion of it. He found it going to Disneyland, more importantly, riding a ride named Radiator Springs. You know what he did? Today, just like an hour or two ago, 14,000 times. That is, it's a record, and come on, Guinness Book of Records. He has been detailing this thing since the beginning. You know, they always want like, we want real confirmation official. I think we'll all go on a list swearing that John Hale has accomplished this. This is fantastic. And he's centered on Heather Marie, her mother, and I believe the three ladies next to them or around him are women who have worked. They're called, I think they're fictionally known as the Pit Crew. They're cast members on the Radiator Spring, but I think they're called the Pit Crew.
Radiator Springs there, 14,000. Now, I wonder if he has kept track of which color car he's raced the most.
Oh, dude, you'll make his head explode.
He probably does have that stat, though.
I'm sure he does, but if he doesn't, he's like, oh, I can look it up.
Yeah.
I can look it up. I'll go back. We just want to say, hey, John, all the love from all your family and friends here at FanDuel TV and everyone over at San Anita Park where you worked for a number of years. And I just say, keep going, buddy. I want to see 20,000.
Oh, that's coming.
Okay?
Easy.
Keep going, man.
Easy peasy.
He was on the news. He was on the news a couple.